Hey guys, this is Sohan and you are watching Technical Spark. In this video, I will show you how you can change your default player for all the video which is available on your PC. Normally, whenever you double click on your video, it's open with a Windows Media Player, which is the default one for Windows computer. But as you can see, there's a lots of format which Windows Media Player doesn't support. So in this situation, what you can do, you can simply right click on the video and choose open with and select the different player. But I'm going to show you one of the permanent fix for this particular trick. Just simply click on the Windows button and go to the settings. In settings, go to the apps. In the left hand side, click on the default apps, and here we have the option which is video player. So now I'm going to change this video player to, let's say, MPC, which is a codec player. Now let's try to open this video. Is automatically got open in the codec player, which is
what does it mean to work in IT?
Let me close this. Now let's change the video player again. Now let me choose VLC Media Player. Okay, now again double click on the video.
What does it mean to work in IT? People ask me that all.
So friends, this is how you can change your default player in your PC. Friends, I hope you have found this video useful. If so, please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. Click on the bell notification so that you will never miss my future video notification. This is Sohan signing out.